Hello, so I'm going to be solving problem number 6 of the quiz axis for chapter 3. So we'll get right into it. So obviously we all have different numbers or maybe similar, but it is still the same process. So depreciation on the company's wind turbine for the year is 5,300. So because it is a depreciation expense, we'll put that here and we're going to debit it for 5,300. Okay, and at some point in time it is going to depreciate, so we're going to credit that for that same number. Number 2, the prepaid insurance account for solar panels had a 2,300 debit balance before adjusting for the cost of any expired insurance or coverage. Analysis of prepaid insurance shows that 750 of unexpired insurance coverage remains at year end. So, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 750 from the 2,300. Okay, and what we get with that number, is a number of 1,550. Okay, and we're going to debit that for the insurance expense, and we're going to credit the prepaid insurance, okay, with that same number. Number 3, the company received 3,900 cash in advance for sustainability consulting work as of December 31st. 1/3 of the sustainability consulting work had been performed. So we get 1/3 of that, of this number, and we get the number of 1,300. So what we're going to do is we're going to debit the unearned revenue, and we're going to credit the service. Just as simple as that. Awesome. Number 4, as of December 31st, 1,500 wages expense for the organic produce workers has been incurred but not yet paid. So we're going to expense that, like it says, for 1,500. We're going to debit it, okay? And because it has not yet been paid, we're going to make that a wages payable because it is a liability, and credit that right there. The last one, number 5. As of December 31st, the company has earned but not yet recorded 430 of the interest revenue. Okay, so we're going to credit that because it has not yet been recorded. And for investments, okay, the interest revenue is expected to be received on January 12th. Okay, and we're going to receive that, so we're going to debit that same number. Okay, we're going to check our work, see what we got, and the answer is complete and correct. So hopefully this was somewhat clear, and hopefully the recording was good and the audio was good. But yeah, I wish you guys luck on solving this problem.